I have spent my whole life scared, frightened of things that could happen, might not happen.
You can either live your dreams or live your fears. And I think the majority of people actually are not living their dreams, but are living their fears.
You see, fear is a fighter's best friend. You know, it ain't nothing to be ashamed of. See, fear keeps you sharp, it keeps you awake, you know, it makes you want to survive, you know what I mean? But the thing is, you gotta learn how to control it, all right? Because fear is like this fire, all right? And it's burning deep inside. Now, if you control it, Tommy, it's gonna make you hot. But you see, if this thing here, it controls you, it's gonna burn you and everything else around you up. That's right.
There's a difference between having a fear and the fear having you.
Fear is my friend. I love fear. Fear allows me to reach my highest potential. The fear of failing is an illusion.
Yeah.
Fear is an illusion, but we have to have desire. We have to have something that pushes us. Fear pushes us.
Weak.
I feel weak.
Listen to me.
I feel weak.
Shut up. Listen to me. Mickey, the only difference between the hero and the coward is the hero is willing to go for it, all right? Willing to take this shot, okay? Now this guy over here is scared too. You're scared, he's scared, you're both scared. Remember in the basement, we was talking about fear and how it's like this fire, huh? And you gotta control it because it's like, it'll like burn you up or it's gonna burn him up, all right? Now you gotta make it work for you, Tommy, okay? I would never do nothing that would hurt you. You gotta understand what I'm saying. Now fear is like this fire, okay? Now let it burn and burn until it becomes like this volcano. And when the time is right, and you see the opening, explode all over this guy, okay? And you can take him, okay? It's all heart, you understand?
Okay,
it ain't all muscle, it's all heart. Heart and fire, heart and fire.
What fears am I holding on to? What fears that I'm allowing to imprison me? That's keeping me from breaking out. That's keeping me from living up to my true potential. What's keeping me from controlling my destiny? What fears that I'm giving that permission to?
You face your fears, you become the person you want to be. You run from your fears, you're not living. You're alive. You're not running the day. The day's running you. You always be the servant, not the master, guys.
This dream you got, whatever you want to do, will it be easy to just run out there and do it? No. Will it happen overnight? No. Will it be a struggle? Yes. Don't surrender. Don't let your fears have you. You're more than capable of making this your decade.
So, get up. Get out in the real world.